Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெண்டு வீடியோவில் தனித்தனியாக பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. இப்போ பேனலில் எல்லாரையும் ஒன்றா கேதர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். வி ஹாவ் வைதி, பாஸ்கர் அண்ட் ஜிகே. Thanks a lot for giving me some more time. This is going to be another interesting topic for the audience. Focused on umpiring. Okay. So background straight questions ke poirren. That way the discussions will kickstart and everybody will have a good understanding of what we are going to cover today. First, do you think umpiring standards have come down in modern era of cricket? Vaidi, you want to go first?
Umpiring standards, if I would bluntly say yes, but it's also because they have got the comfort of technology behind them.
Okay.
So that is probably the reason why they are not ready to take the risk. Munala run out they try to take the decision as much as possible on the ground. Ipola ஒரு அடி ரெண்டு அடி உள்ள போய் அந்த ஸ்டம்ப் தாண்டி ஓடுறான் பேட்ஸ்மேன் ஆனாலும் தேர்ட் அம்பையர் கிட்ட தான் கேட்கணும். It just sometimes delays the game completely. So they should consciously take a decision எப்போ கேட்கணும் என்ன கேட்கணும்ன்றது.
குயிக்கா நான் மற்ற ரெண்டு பேரோட வியூஸையும் கேட்டுட்டு அப்புறமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் டீப்பா டெவலப் பண்ணலாம். பாஸ்கி, உங்களோட ஒப்பீனியன் என்ன இந்த டாபிக்?
Prasi, good to be back here again. Good to see Vaidi and GK also. But upper standard, yes, to an extent, the comfort இருக்கு அவங்களுக்கு. So they think that suppose நான் error பண்ணாலும் we can recheck it and all. We see a lot of cases.
Okay.
Lot of cases பார்த்தோம் where out கொடுத்துட்டு then to call the umpire let to check the front no ball, and the manual thing which was a great part which is required, actually that manual error part is required in that old umpiring.
Okay.
This thing it adds spice to the thing. But if on the comfort இருக்கிறதுனால வைதி சொன்ன மாதிரி there's a comfort. Okay, if not error பண்ணாலும் somebody is there to correct it, so பண்ணலாமே just like that. So and the probably I would say not carelessness and the casualness இருக்கும், because somebody is watching us, நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணாலும் somebody will call back and say that it's not. So that part is there. Yes, standard has come down largely. Technology is supposed to aid umpires, but in the form of aiding the umpires, it also took away that manual error or manual thing. Manual part of that whole umpiring business is not taken away.
Okay, GK, your views?
Yeah, happy to be back on the channel and love the company of Vaidi and Baski. Okay, and what I would say is it is not the quality which has come down. It is basically the technology which has improved. Okay, so you cannot just call it saying umpiring decision is everything. It is the requirement of the people which has been accommodated by the Cricketing Council. ICC or a BCCI. Okay, so I would stop there. I would never say umpiring quality has come down or something like that. There is a mandate which has been asked by the people, and it has been supported by the ICC and the cricketing committee.
சூப்பர். மூணு பேர்கிட்ட இருந்தும் ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ்ஸ் எனக்கு கிடைச்சது கண்டிப்பா. பட் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் எடுத்து பார்த்தோம்னா, இப்போ மாடர்ன் டே கிரிக்கெட்டோட டிமாண்ட்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் டெக்னாலஜி எவால்வ் ஆகும்போது அம்பையர்ஸ் ஆர் தே லேர்னிங் ஃப்ரம் இட், ஆர் இல்லை பேசிக் ரூல்ஸ் ஆஃப் த கேமை நம்ம பார்க்கணும், டெசிஷன்ஸ் நம்ம தான் மேக்ஸிமம் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களா, இல்லை அந்த இதுலேருந்து கொஞ்சம் டிவியேட் ஆகுறாங்களா? அதே ஆர்டர்லேயே போகலாம். வைதி, பாஸ்கி அண்ட் ஜிகே.
லுக், நான் முன்னால் சொன்ன மாதிரி with the comfort, they will definitely deviate. They would probably not want to take the risk. One.
Okay.
Two, what is technology also done is even the smallest of mistakes from the umpires, it just exaggerates it big time. So என்ன சின்ன மிஸ்டேக்கா இருந்தாலும் அது வந்து பெருசா காமிக்கணும். So then if as an umpire, why will I take that risk? That is the thought that I will have. Yeah. So with that as an idea, no one wants to be another Raman Sharma giving not out to Ajay Jadeja. Okay, Akai Tuki hat adjust பண்றதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். So they know that, you know, அது பண்ணாலும் யாராவது இந்த டிஆர்எஸ் கேட்டு ஏதாவது பண்ணுவாங்க, எல்லாம் இருக்கு. So
Okay.
you know, the idea is both the comfort as well as, you know, how it is shown
Okay.
by the technology. They don't want to take that risk. It's a big
Okay.
matter of, you know, questioning their credibility. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay. பாஸ்கி, உங்களோட
see very if you see that இப்போ more technology இருக்கிறதுனால நிறைய cameras இருக்கிறதுனால the errors are being glaring, that's all.
Exactly.
earlier அந்த errors நடந்திருக்கும்,
ஆமா.
நம்ம பார்த்திருக்க மாட்டோம். But only thing is that umpiring standard improve பண்ண with the technology data they can give.
Okay.
I read some time back Simon Teifel also doing the lot of seminars, lot of conference of umpires are attending to give them data saying that okay, where the errors are coming, what kind of that data analysis is being shown to the umpire, saying that okay fine,
Right.
this is where you guys are going wrong, these are the decisions you're taking wrong.
ஆமா.
So அந்த விதத்துல yes, technology going to help us. That's what the என்னோட view வந்து saying that yes,
Okay.
it is helping us, but of course it is in a நல்ல விதமா யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா the umpires are also not getting a feedback saying that okay fine, these are the errors you're making, types of errors coming in, some kind of feedback is going. Earlier அப்படி இல்ல, everything left to manual. சரிப்பா next time நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன். இந்த டைம் அப்படி இல்ல, அந்த error திருப்பி வந்துச்சுனா once they are showing to them that this is the kind of errors making, they will be very conscious also to make those decisions.
சரி, ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு லேர்னிங் டூல் மாதிரி டெக்னாலஜி இருக்குன்ற பாயிண்ட் நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. புரியுது. ஜிகே,
I will just add up to your first question and
Okay.
compile it. See, umpires are good or bad, how quality of umpires have come
Standards.
down or gone up.
Mm.
Okay, so currently I would feel that umpire quality will go up with this technicality which is coming in.
Okay.
The quality of umpire should go up because
Okay.
earlier number of, and the rules are also getting complicated. Number of players inside, number of players outside. Okay, and no ball with feather slide feather gap. So I think technology is very helpful, and it will not make the umpire more complacent. He has got several other decisions to make. LBW got behind, but of course there are several other things to back that as well. But I still feel it will make a good umpire, even excellent umpire with the support of technology.
So GK, the way I look at it is probably it doesn't make an umpire good or bad. It makes a decision good or bad.
Decision, exactly.
There are two different things, completely two different things. So you might probably be getting more decisions which are, I wouldn't say accurate, but closer to what it is supposed to be. But umpires, are they learning from it? Yes, no is a question mark.
I will just answer Vaidi. The umpires are there to basically manage a game, to give a decision right or wrong, or in a neutral position take a decision. Okay, a umpire might does not require always to give a correct decision without earlier in earlier scenario. With this current scenario, they are more equipped, is what I am saying.
Okay, fair enough. Good to have different viewpoints. Yeah.
So what Vaidi சொன்ன மாதிரி, it's quality of the decisions, number of right decisions will go up with the help of technology. That's what we are looking for. Correct decisions போறது. In the process, the technology also should aid the umpiring. If you see IPL ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு மூணு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் I saw where same LBW decision ஒன்னு கொடுப்பாரு, அவுட், DSR பார்க்கும் DRS ல பார்க்கும்போது is different, then similar dismissal வரும்போது he was very sure and it doesn't give you out.
Okay.
அது மாதிரி, so it somewhere it helps them, but yeah, the quality, number of the correct decisions, percentage of right decision going up, that's what we are expecting.
Okay, I am taking this discussion to the next step. Technology மூலமா வர decisions, இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய things like no ball, things like LBW decisions, இதெல்லாம் ஆல்ரெடி இப்போ போயாச்சு. Run out, everything has gone up to the technology. Human அங்க இருக்கணும்ன்ற நெசசிட்டி இல்லை. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒன்னா டெக்னாலஜி ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண what is the future of umpiring? Do you think human umpire is essential or technology can actually take care of things?
Definitely yes.
Okay.
It is essential, like what GK said. There are two key aspects of an umpire. Yeah. First one, he's the one who is conducting the game.
Okay.
Okay. Irrespective of what's happening in the field, it's not just decision making. Okay. Getting the, getting the over rate right, making the players work right in the field, making sure that the interactions between the players is right. There are multiple other decisions. It's not just about just the dismissal decisions that needs to be taken. That's a big thing. Two, let's even talk about dismissal decisions, right? Not everything can be easily done in technology. There is lot of manual intervention to it. நம்மளுக்கு அங்க விளையாடும் போது தெரியும். ஹாக்கை இதெல்லாம் போடும்போது it will probably say what is the um, how the ball should have traveled, how the wicket is behaving based on the previous balls எல்லாம். A good wicket once in a while keeps low or kicks up எங்க விளையாடும் போது எல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் and the angle of delivery, the bowler is bowling from wide of the crease, எல்லாம் பார்க்கும். It's not the case at all, but that kind of an element which the umpire needs to actually guide. That is the reason why even with technology there is also a decision of and technology is not 100%. Yeah. So with all that, you need an umpire's decision on field to actually aid the technology the other way around. It's not about technology aiding the umpire, but it's the umpire's decision aiding the technology as well.
If I understand you right, both go hand in hand. So டெக்னாலஜியும் வந்து ஹியூமன் அம்பையர் எய்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி தான் டிசைன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்கன்றது உங்களோட.
Of course, and I can never see a game without an umpire on the ground. Simple.
Bhaski, your view?
Absolutely, sir. There's no question of replacing umpire with robots or something. Technology, yes, because it's a dismissal 1% of it. They're the people who are conducting the matches. So players are discipline, contact, everything.
Okay.
It's driven. The people has to be there manually. Somebody should be there. It cannot be ruled out anyway. Another that DRS options only 2 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It's not that they'll have multiple unlimited DRS எடுத்து பண்ணலாம் அப்படில. There should be some kind of a manual element to it. That's also adds spice to the game. Just like that, everything robot now, it is probably we lose interest actually. Yes, and manual thing is very, 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 very important. Okay, as GK and Vaidi said, it's not about only the taking right decisions. There are other factors involved. Seeing no balls, everything, conduct of the players, all these things, taking care of the sledging part, everything, going players crossing the boundaries.
என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரெண்டு क्वेश्चनக்கு ஜிகே மோர் ஆர் லெஸ் இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும்ன்ற லெவலுக்கு பேசினாரு. ஸோ மோர் ஆர் லெஸ் எனக்கு ஜிகே என்ன சொல்ல போறான்னு தெரியும். ஜிகே, யூ வாண்ட் டு ஆட் சம் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் டு
this? Compare வேண்டாம் பாரு.
What I will do is I will just add on. I think most of the points both of them have covered.
Okay.
See, what I will do is further improve. See, human. If there is no human being, if there is no cricket player, if cricket player becomes a robot, what is the kind of improvement that you will get? If there is no Virat Kohli,
when I mentioned the word robot or technology overruling the human element aspect compare, there are some other aspects to it. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா கேம் பவர் பேக்டா இருக்கு. 2020ல அம்பையர் வந்து கவர் அப் பண்ண முடியாது. லைன் ஆஃப் ஃபயர்ல இருக்காரு. bowlerக்கு பேக் டிரைவ் பலார்னு அடிச்சானா people might lose their life also. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய டெசிஷன்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜி போறதுனால அந்த ஒரு தாட் ப்ராசஸ் வந்ததுனால தான் நான் இந்த क्वेश्चंस உங்கள மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட போறேன்.
Currently I think I've seen baseball teams having point structure for umpires. Okay, but I don't think there are 2 in one day matches. There are 2 review which is available for either batting team or bowling team, which is against the umpire 4 times or 8 times in a match. Okay. So whenever a reversal is done, so do you give a negative point to the umpire or do you give a positive point to the umpire? How do you rate an umpire? So if you add that rating system into it, I think we will get the game even more higher. Maybe World Cup finals, for example. I will give an example of overthrow which went for 4 runs and 2 runs added Dharmasena 6 runs.
What exactly I think was the event?
Exactly. So that in a final, that too. Okay. So if ratings are given properly to the umpires and the people who are actually umpiring the right match, which is finals, semi-finals, decider, big test matches. Okay. So that is how you should decide. You should start rating them.
Again, I'm referring to that article what I read on from Simon Tiffin. You are saying that basically wherever these umpires are coming, they're not rating or something. They do analysis of the performance analysis. I don't know whether knockout may this guy should go or not. How did he perform in the knockout? So if we see some making some grave errors, now I'm very sure that that guy won't feature in the next knockout match or any crucial matches.
Okay, very interesting discussion. இது வந்து இனிஷியலா தாட் ப்ராசஸ் எதுக்கு வந்ததுன்றதையும் நான் கவர் பண்ணிட்டேன். பட் சம்பவ் எனக்கு என்ன ஃபீலிங் இருக்குன்னா, ஓல்டு இந்த டெக்னாலஜிலாம் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் இல்லாதப்போ தேர் வேர் குவாலிட்டி அம்பையர்ஸ் லைக் டிக்கி பர்ட், டேவிட் ஷெப்பர்ட், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் இருந்தாங்க. இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி பக்னரும் இருந்தாரு, இல்லைன்னு சொல்லல. அதே சமயத்துல சைமன் டாஃபன், அசாத் ராவ், அலிந்தார்லாம் இப்போ இருந்தாங்க, குமார் தர்மசேனா. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பிக் அவுட் பண்ணி இன்னும் நல்ல குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் அம்பையர்ஸ் வரணும் அப்படின்றது தான். இஃப் டெக்னாலஜி கேன் எய்ட் இட், நத்திங் லைக் இட். ஸோ அதை சம்மரியாக வச்சுக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இட் வாஸ் அ வண்டர்ஃபுல் டிஸ்கஷன். தேங்க்யூ அகெயின். We will all meet with the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Prashant.
Thanks, Prasi.